Here is a Comfortaire that we installed. 2022 14 SEER from February. It's a 2.5 ton. It does the downstairs unit. And then here's the upstairs 2-ton Goodman. Both are straight air conditioners. It's been running a lot. This one's covered in sweat. Mine still feels pretty cool. This is I believe it was a Tecumseh rotary. I honestly don't remember. And then this has an LG compressor, scroll compressor. You can see it right there, LG on it. Come on, camera, focus. Right there. They look pretty good together though. Imagine a Carrier Performance next to one of these. Either one of these, it would probably look pretty good. Well, that's it for this video. See you next time.